Installing your Brondell Swash is quick and easy. Follow these steps to install and use your bidet. First, remove your existing toilet seat and thoroughly clean your toilet. Turn off the water supply at the shutoff valve on the wall to stop the flow of water to the toilet. Flush your toilet, holding down the handle until the water is fully drained out of the toilet tank. Disconnect water supply hose from the toilet tank. You may want a small bucket or towel handy to catch any residual water. Check to ensure the rubber washer sits flat inside of the T-valve. Connect the provided T-valve to the fill valve under the toilet tank. Reconnect the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. To mount your swash, wet the rubber anchors with water, squeeze the sides of the anchors, and fully press them all the way down into the mounting holes on the top of the toilet. Place the mounting plate over the rubber anchors on the toilet. Place the adjustable brackets flat side down on the mounting plate over the rubber anchors. Insert the washers and metal mounting bolts through the adjustable brackets into the rubber anchors. Your model might not have washers. If no washers were included, proceed with mounting the seat without the washers. Use a Phillips screwdriver to screw in the mounting bolts and tighten. Insert the deodorizer cartridge into the back of the bidet body and attach the deodorizer cover until it snaps into place. Connect the elbow end of the bidet hose to the bidet water inlet and hand tighten to secure. Slide your swash toward the tank onto the mounting plate until it clicks in place. To adjust the position of the seat, remove the seat by pressing the quick release button located on the right side of the seat and slide it off the mounting plate. Loosen the bolts and slide the mounting plate back and forth to readjust the placement. Reinstall the seat and check the alignment to the edge of the toilet bowl. Connect the open end of the bidet hose to the T-valve. Slowly turn on the water supply and check for leaks. If there are no leaks, plug the swash into the nearest GFI outlet. The bidet will immediately power on. The nozzle will extend and retract. To automatically pair the remote to the seat, install the batteries into the remote within 5 minutes of plugging the seat into a GFCI outlet. Slide off the battery cover. Insert the 3 AAA batteries. To confirm the batteries were installed correctly, the circular blue LED light on the remote will light up. Congratulations! Your swash installation is complete. Please refer to the owner's manual for instructions on how to properly operate and maintain your swash.